West and south-facing views for miles, Tridale built, a superb layout and upgrades galore. 55 Strathaven Drive, Suite 1707 is a beauty. Come on in, let me show you around. The spacious open-concept living and dining room features brand new laminate flooring, large windows, and a walkout to the balcony. The fabulous kitchen has been updated with white shaker-style cabinet doors and stainless steel appliances. An extra-large closet, a 4-piece ensuite bathroom, large windows, and brand new laminate flooring complements the primary bedroom. The second bedroom with brand new laminate flooring and full bathroom completes the space. Your minutes to fabulous grocery stores, easy access to major highways and the future Hazel McCallion line, and you're just about equidistance to Heartland Town Centre and Square One Shopping Mall. This suite is spotless and it's just been freshly painted too. 1 parking and 1 locker are included. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.